Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make headband. This is a easy and simple headband, and I hope you like it. If you want to know the how to make this one, now let's get started. The materials are fabric, scissors, elastic, straight pin, safety pin, thread and needle. We cut the fabric. We need two kinds of fabric. The first, this one, the length of 46 centimeter and the weight of 18 centimeter. The second, the length of 25 centimeter and the weight of 8 centimeter. Also, we need elastic, the length of 12 centimeter and the weight of 2 centimeter. Okay. This one we need one piece, and also this is only one piece. Second step, we fold the fabric in half like this. Like this. And start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here. Also do the same process with the other fabric. After you sew and you like this, you turn the fabric inside out. Also this one. Okay. And you press. And the same line put in the middle. And this one. Okay. Take elastic and put safety pin here, and you insert through the fabric here. And sew from here to here. and sew from here to here. The same process. Okay. Put the elastic. This is a good side because this is the seam line. Yeah. This is the bad side because there is seam line. You put in the middle like this. The seam line face us, and then fold, and you fold, and sew from here to here. So from here to here. You put in the middle. This is the seam line. You fold and work like this, and sew from here to here, like this, and this one. Now you pull like this. Easy headband has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.